Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get TradingView alerts on iPhone updated. Open TradingView, tap the alarm icon, pick a symbol, set conditions and frequency, choose push notifications, and save the alert. Then open settings in the app, enable mobile push, and confirm notifications in iPhone settings. I keep the tone simple so you can follow each tap clearly and get alerts reliably while on the go. Make sure background app refresh is on, and that TradingView can send alerts in your iPhone notification settings so you never miss a trade signal. Use clear, concise alert messages so you can act fast and know which strategy triggered the alert. Consider setting a priority sound or vibration pattern to distinguish important alerts from routine notifications while keeping battery impact minimal. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides. Quick recommendation. A book that reshaped how I think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, which pairs nicely with learning smarter trading habits. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab the book if you want a practical money mindset boost. Now let's get back to the video. For more control, use webhook URLs to forward TradingView alerts to automation platforms or trading bots, letting you execute orders or log signals automatically. Refine your alert conditions to reduce noise so only high-probability setups trigger a push. Always test new alerts with a paper account or very small positions first to verify logic and timing before applying them to live trades.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.